guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my kajal. Okay, so for that I'm using this colossal kajal, Maybelline colossal kajal. So I'm gonna start from my waterline. So the next step is to apply the same kajal on the top of the lid. Now I'm going to use this brush actually to blend it out well. And smudge it more well. So the next thing is to do the same here. You can also use a brown eyeshadow. So now I'm just using this kajal only. So the next, use any eyeliner and just give away. So this is one of the difficult part, to get the same wing on the side. So now once again I'm going to reapply this kajal on this eyeliner. So the next thing I'm gonna do with mascara. Okay guys, so that's my eye look. That I'm just using only basically 3 products. I use a colossal kajal and any type of eyeliner and then one mascara. So that's enough. So if you're one like who love this kind of bold looks, you can try this out. So this will look so bold actually.